Put all the ingredients in the grinder. Add little water and grind it to a fine paste. Slit the fish. Fill it with ground paste. And marinate the fish for 1 hour minimum. Grease the pan with oil and fry it.
Take half cup toordal, 1 cup moong and masoordal,
1 teaspoon finely chopped ginger, half teaspoon finely chopped garlic, 1 to 2 green chillies, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 4 cup water. Boil the dal up to 3 whistles. 1 tablespoon oil,
1 tablespoon ghee,
1 medium-sized finely chopped onion, 1 finely chopped ginger, half teaspoon garlic, 1 medium tomato, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon kitchen king masala, 1 teaspoon salt. Add 1/4 cup water to this.
Add the cooked dal.
2 tablespoon coriander leaves. For Dal Tadka, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 teaspoon finely chopped garlic, two tablespoons Jeera, three whole dry red chilli, 1 pinch asafoetida, half teaspoon red chilli powder, add the tadka to the dal. Before cooking, soak 2 cups of rice for half an hour. Eight cup water, 3 bay leaves, 1 black cardamom, 4 green cardamom, 3 to 4 cloves, 2 sticks cinnamon, 2 tablespoons salt, 2 tablespoon oil, 1 tablespoon white vinegar to make the rice white and to prevent the grains from breaking. Cook 50% of the rice. Once it is cooked, drain the water and cool completely. To prepare jeera rice, 2 tablespoon oil,
1 tablespoon ghee,
1 tablespoon jeera, add the cooked rice to this. Garnish the rice with half cup coriander leaves.
Your main course is now ready to be served. Enjoy. Hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and click the bell for notifications. See you in the next video. Goodbye.